In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a status update on LinkedIn Mobile. Whether you're sharing a quick thought, a helpful resource, or a company update, the process is straightforward and designed for a professional audience. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the main screen, look toward the bottom and tap the Post button. This opens the composer where you can write your update in a clear, concise way. Think about what you want your network to take away from your message. A strong opening sentence helps set the context, and keeping your tone professional will resonate best on LinkedIn. If you want to include visuals, you have options right here. Tap Media or the photo icon to add a photo or video. Visuals can make your post more engaging, especially if you're showing a work highlight, a product teaser, or a short demonstration. Choose clear, relevant images or clips that support your message and keep them steady and well lit for the best impression. For even more ways to share, tap the plus icon to reveal additional options. From here, you can create an event to gather attendees, create an occasion to mark a milestone, share that you are hiring to attract candidates, create a poll to get quick feedback, add a document to showcase detailed information, or find an expert if you're looking to connect with specialized talent. These options are built for professional interaction and can help you tailor your update to your goal. You can also add a link to your status update. If you discovered an interesting article, a helpful tool, or a relevant announcement, paste the link into your post and include a short description explaining why it matters. A brief summary helps your audience understand the value at a glance and encourages meaningful engagement. As you draft, remember that LinkedIn is not like Facebook or Instagram. Aim for a professional tone, avoid overly casual language, and focus on providing value. Think insights, takeaways, or actionable ideas. Keep your message clear, proofread for accuracy, and make sure your visual or link aligns with the point you're making. And that's how to post a status update on LinkedIn Mobile. If this walkthrough helped you, tap like, subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next upload. Thanks for watching.